Hello students. In this session we will discuss how to gain guaranteed 15 JEE marks. ठीक है, इसका मैंने एक फर्स्ट सेशन बनाया था जिसमें हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस के कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज और सारी चीजें डिस्कस की थी। वो वहां पे मैंने लिंक दिया हुआ है, इसको आप चेक कर सकते हो। ठीक है, इस सेशन में हम लोग उसका ही एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन पढ़ेंगे। तो यहाँ पे देखो, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है एन एरोप्लेन फ्लाइंग एट अ कांस्टेंट स्पीड। सो इफ आई एम टेकिंग स्पीड एज s, if I'm taking this speed as s, so if I'm taking distance as d and it takes time t, okay, so distance d1 upon t1 should be equal to that, then we will call it as uniform speed. Okay, and it is also given that it is observed from this point. Okay, and it is observed from this point. Initially it has the angle of elevation as 60 degree, then it has angle of elevation of 30 degree. Okay, and it covers this distance from this point to this point in 5 seconds. Okay, and it is given that if I'm taking this distance as x, okay, and this distance as y, if I'm taking this distance as x and this distance as y, so and what about this? This is nothing but it is equal to root 3 kilometer. This one is given. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, so we can write x by 5 seconds. Okay, so this distance upon time taken, and it is given in kilometer per hour. We have to find, here it is given, it is second. Okay, so we have to change that. We can write x by 5 into 60, that will give you kilometer per hour. And what we have to find? We have to find only the value of x. Okay, and how will you find that? We can write 1060. If I'm taking 1060, so this triangle will be possible. So if I'm taking 1060, so this triangle is possible, which means that 1060 is nothing but it is equal to root 3 upon y, which means that y is equal to 1. We will get from here. Okay, now if I will take 1030 degree, if I'm taking 1030 degree, so this triangle is possible. So this triangle is possible, so we can write 1030 is equal to root 3 upon x plus y. Okay, which means that x plus y is equal to root 3 into root 3, because the value of 1030 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so x is equal to nothing but it is equal to 2. Okay, now we will put the value of x in this equation. So we will get what? We will get the speed as equal to 2 into 60 by 5. Okay, now if I will solve this one, I will get the value as 1440 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the speed which we want from this point to this point is nothing but it is equal to 1440 kilometer per hour. Hope you understand this question. Let's do the second one, which is more important than this one. Okay, in this question, a man on the top of the vertical tower, यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है आदमी, और उसने एक कार को देखी जो यहाँ पे थी, अब वो कार यहाँ पे आ चुकी है। ठीक है, and the angle of depression is nothing but it is equal to 30 degree, then it changes to 45 degree, and it takes from this point to this point is nothing but it is equal to 18 minute. This point to this point it is 18 minute. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the time taken from this point to this point. We have to find the time taken from this point to this point, that we have to find. So if I'm taking this distance as x, okay, and time taken, if I'm taking time taken, so, and one more thing, it is also given that it has some uniform speed. Okay, it has some uniform speed, so u is equal to distance. If I'm taking this distance as y upon 18, okay, and from this distance we are taking x upon t. Okay, this will be the equation of this question. Okay, यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड y upon 18 is equal to x by 18. देखो दोनों क्वेश्चन सेम था, एक पे क्या बोलते हैं d by t, हमने दोनों पे प्रॉपर्टी क्या यूज की? यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड की प्रॉपर्टी यूज की है। ठीक है, बस हम लोग ये देखें। अब हम लोग को क्या फाइंड करना है? अब हम लोग को फाइंड करना है y की वैल्यू और x की वैल्यू, and how will you find that we will discuss here. Okay, so here it will give you, so if I'm taking it as y, okay, and अच्छा बताओ, ये अगर 30 डिग्री है तो ये वैल्यू होगी 30 डिग्री, and this value will also be 45 degree, which means that 1045 is nothing but, if I'm considering this triangle, it will give you x by h, which means that h is equal to x. This one is given, okay, and tan 30 degree is equal to h upon x plus y, okay, so which will give you x plus y is equal to root 3h. This one is given, okay, and we will put the value of x. So what we will get? We will get the value of y is equal to root 3 minus 1 h. Now we will put each and every value in this equation. So what we will get? We will get y is equal to root 3 minus 1 h upon 18 is equal to x is equal to h, which is already given here. So this one is given. Now we will find the value of t, which is equal to 18 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay, now if I will rationalize this one, I will get the value as 18 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 2. If I will cancel 2 with 18, we will get the value as 9. So here answer is 9 root 3 plus 1. Okay, 9 root 3 plus 1. Okay, hope you understand this thing. This one is the time taken from this point to this point. Okay, so this is the basic question which we had already understand. So how IIT JEE is using uniform speed, concept of uniform speed in their question to solve the questions of height and distance. Hope you understand this question. Second question, the third question which we are taking, which is highly using the concept of this formula which I am taking here.